Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this Boltune earbuds. The number we have it in the back here, it's called BT-BH021. Boltune, we know, is a really good brand, good quality, usually good fit, deep bass sound, good quality microphone. They have good support, decent price, not so expensive as all this Apple stuff. And so I thought I'll give it a try. Here we have them. Here the product number. Same thing in the back. I'm going to show you everything, what we get, how they look, how they perform, and also I'm giving you a sample of the microphone recording. So I'm going to make a phone call and then I'll play this on this video, so you will be able to hear what other people will be hearing from you about. I mean, I cannot guarantee that it's absolutely same thing, because sometimes it can be different regarding different phones, but usually it should be pretty much the same when you're using microphone here and then Bluetooth. So model, yeah, same thing here. There's a quick manual, it could be helpful. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly. I mean, these things are not rocket science, but sometimes it can be really helpful, especially when there's a reset function or some problems when connecting. Here we have the different things like one push, two pushes, three pushes, those things, long, short pushes, these things, and invoking Siri, and we have a website. So usually we should be assuming that they have all these descriptions, manual support, everything on their web page as well. But I'm going to show you that if you need that. If you don't need that, just skip 1 or 2 minutes. If you need it, just go to the highest resolution, usually 1080p. You should be able to read everything. If you put it on pause on every page, I think we are done for the first site here. Oh, there's more. Yeah, what's really important here, the pairing thing, and sometimes there is like a reset, total reset, like factory reset. So if you cannot connect or you get them used from somebody else, you want to clear the pairing list. That's the thing which is really important. And the rest, yeah, you could also try around and push couple of times, long, short, those things. So usually it's not so difficult to find out. I think we are done here. Yeah, one thing I almost forgot to show again, something, support numbers, email, and you can even extend the warranty from 12 to 30 months here. So this is what we get. We get the charging cable, it's a USB-C, we get additional ear tips. There are already 2 on the earbuds, and we have smaller ones and larger ones here. Really short cable. I mean, I love short, but this is a little bit very short, but yeah, usually it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, so here's the case, very small, beautiful, simple. There's not much, there's just one LED charging port. There is not more here. A little bit of description here, specs or so, and the product number again. And when we open the charging case, they should actually connect to each other or pair, and then we have to take the phone and pair them to the phone. I haven't done anything. They are still blinking blue and white, so we are going to Bluetooth and refresh here and see if we find something where we can connect Boltune BT-BH021 here. And let's try and see. We get a steady blue light, and now it's off, and we have to give authorization, of course, to pair. There was some warning here regarding Bluetooth connection, regarding codecs. I've never seen this. Maybe this is something new on my Xiaomi phone. Now let's see if this works just with OK without changing the settings. So I'm going to wear them for a while and play some music. I mean, of course, I can't show you that, but I'm going to tell you how it was, how the comfort was, how the sound was. I'm going to record a phone call, and at the end I'll let you know how everything was. Yeah, I have now been wearing them for about 1 hour and they did really great. They were really comfortable to wear and they were producing really awesome sound. So really deep bass sound. I've been testing this here from YouTube with this ultra deep bass sound test, and they were really amazing. Really amazing deep bass sound, really great sound, but also voice. I've been testing this with some videos where people were talking, yeah, really easy to understand. So it's absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, it's like always with Boltune, they never really disappointed me, and they were really good to wear. I mean, I think as long as you are not sweating like crazy, they keep really nicely in place. I really didn't have any problems. I tried to jump a little bit up and down and they were really super stable. I didn't have the impression that they were even moving a bit, so I think they are really good, safe in the ears. And as long as you have them really good inside, they provide really nice sound. So you have to make sure that they are in the right position. Otherwise, of course, these in-ear earbuds, they are not working. But it's always with all the brands, it's no difference here. And they are easy to operate here. As far as I've been able to see, I think you can just touch here in the middle somehow. There are some earbuds which I found you have to touch somewhere strange on the side, so not with this one. So very easy here, you can just touch somewhere in the middle to do all the operations like increase the sound level, decrease, go back to the previous track, to next track, to all the things which you can do. And I mean, the really positive thing is that we have a volume change directly here, so you can just touch and then maybe touch again. So I recommend not to touch too fast, so otherwise it can cause some confusion. So maybe just touch once per second, and you can then increase the volume on one side and decrease on the other side. I think on the right side is increase, on the left side it's decrease. And also the microphone has been really doing good. I've been making a phone call, I mean like a fake phone call, which has been recorded here on the phone. It has been doing good. The voice is really clear, really nice, has been stable. I'm going to play that now for you so you can listen to that. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to listen to that, and I think it's really, really good. I mean, it's as good as it gets, and yeah, it has 2 microphones on every earpiece, and that definitely seems to help. So yeah, we have a really nice specs. I mean, we have the 6 hours of runtime for every charge of the earbuds, in total 40 hours with the cradle. We have this nice multifunction LED. When it's fully charged, we have the white, and it goes to yellow and then to orange and then to red when it's slowly draining. So we have a nice indication. I think that's new. I haven't seen that before. That's really good. So just one LED does everything. The good thing is also that they are very easy to connect, and they stayed always connected, so I never lost a connection. I mean, at least as long as you are close to the phone, it shouldn't be a problem. And you can even use them single ones. So if you really need to cover 24/7, if you want to be always available for making phone calls and not only for 6 hours, you can put one back. I mean, by the way, it's really nice here that we can see left and right here easy. Sometimes with such small earbuds it's difficult, so when we connect them at the beginning, we just have to do the connection once, so we do not have to do the connection twice. That's really good. So they are sharing the connection information, and when you think it's close to the end of the charge maybe, then you just put one back into the cradle and give it a charge, and you can still keep using this for music and phone calls and whatever. You keep this out, that's important. You have to always keep one out. You keep this out, take this out, make sure that it's connected. You can hear that or see that here, and then put the other one back and charge this one, so you do not have any kind of interruption. You can technically make phone calls, listen to music 24/7. Of course, after 40 hours you have to recharge the cradle, but it's really nice one. It's really stylish, really super small, fits easily in your pocket of your pants. What I've also been trying is this AAC. It says, yeah, provide high quality audio experience. I've been trying with and without listening music and also using the microphone. I haven't really felt much of a difference, actually nothing. So they were really good on both ways, with or and without the AAC. So I think that there's absolutely no problem. Really happy with these things. So for me it definitely works, and we'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it too. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.